Hey guys, Eric here, taking the dogs out for a walk, as you can see, and trying to find a good trail to walk down anymore. It's pretty difficult. From all the ice storm damage back in March. Anyways, this is what Lewiston, Michigan still looks like. So if you plan on bringing up a four-wheeler side by side, good luck on that. You're not going to be going too far down these trails. I think some trails are cleared out, but most of the two tracks I try walking down are just like this. And if you can't walk down them, obviously you're not riding down them. Dogs definitely can slide through here a little easier than me. Yeah. There's some lichen. What's lichen? Back from our little detour, back to the trail, which just has more trees down. And to be wearing shorts, it's a little difficult. Yeah, I guess we'll take the dog's path through the Widowmaker. Alright, this is starting to get old. Maybe turning this around, I thought it was going to clear up. Somebody's digging a hole. A fox. I'm seeing a lot of fox tracks out here today. Dang. Doesn't stop. Pretty songbirds out today. Sounds like a warbler. But I could be wrong, but this is a Kirtland warbler habitat area. Endangered species that they come here to live in the jack pine trees. This is where they have their nest. Hey, got some clarity for a while. All right, keep on walking. Have a good one. I'll see you on the next one.